everybody, have you ever wanted to make music but you didn't have a drum or a piano around? Well, guess what? Today we're going to learn how you can become your very own walking, talking musical instrument. And the best part is, all you need is you. That's right. We're going to make music using nothing but our bodies. So, are you ready to become a human drum set? I hope so, because our big musical adventure starts right now. So, you might be wondering, what is this magical music making called? Well, it's called body percussion. Now, I know that sounds like a super big fancy word, but trust me, it's actually really easy and so much fun. Yup, body percussion just means using parts of your body to make a really cool beat. And today, we're going to become experts at three main sounds. We're going to use our hands for a clap, we're going to use our hands to tap on our lap, and we're going to use our feet for a big stomp. Okay, before we start making all these awesome beats, we have to learn the number one most important rule in all of music. Are you ready? It's all about keeping a super steady beat. And we're going to start with the easiest one of all, clapping. So go on, get your hands ready. Our first big challenge is to see if we can all clap at the very same time. Think we can do it? All right, step one, show me those hands. Yeah, wiggle those fingers around. Perfect. Okay, now we're going to clap 4 times together, nice and steady, okay? I'll count us in. Get ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Clap, 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 clap. You did it! Awesome job! Now this is super important. The beat has to be steady. Just think about a clock on the wall. It doesn't go tick, 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 right? Nope. It just goes tick, tock, tick, tock. See how it's always the same speed? That's exactly what we want. Wow, you guys totally mastered the steady clap. That was fantastic. So, are you ready to make our rhythm even cooler? Let's add a new sound. It's time for the tap. Okay, for this one, you're just going to gently tap your hands on your lap. So the pattern goes like this. We're going to do 2 claps and then 2 taps. It sounds like this. Clap, clap, tap, tap. You ready to try it with me? Okay, let's do it. Ready? Go. Clap, clap, tap, tap. Yes, you've got it. That was so good. And remember our number one rule, right? Keep that beat super steady. The claps and the taps need to have that same even speed. Don't let it get faster or slower. All right, you rhythm superstars, are you ready for our last sound for today? Oh, this one is my favorite. It's big, it's loud, and it's super fun. It's time for the stomp. Okay, get those feet ready to make some noise. We're going to stomp our feet on the floor and learn a brand new pattern that mixes our claps and our stomps all together. So our new pattern is super simple. 2 claps and then 2 stomps. It goes like this. Clap, clap, stomp, stomp. Let's try it out together nice and slow. Here we go. Ready? Go. Clap, clap, stomp, stomp. Yes! How cool does that sound? Okay, you now know how to clap, tap, and stomp. So, I think it's time to play a game. We're going to play the echo game. The rules are super easy. I'll make a pattern, and then you'll be my echo and copy it exactly. You ready to play? All right, listen up very carefully. Here's the first one. It's my turn first. The pattern is clap, clap, tap, tap. Okay, now it's your turn. Be my echo. Ready? Go. Clap, clap, tap, tap. Whoa, fantastic. That sounded just like me. Okay, let's try a trickier one now. Are you ready for a challenge? My turn. Listen closely. Stomp, stomp, clap, tap. Ooh, did you hear that? It's a little different. Let me do it one more time. Stomp, stomp, clap, tap. All right, it's your turn to echo. Just give it your best try. Ready, set, go. Stomp, stomp, clap, tap. Wow, that was amazing. And you know what? Even if you messed up a little bit, that is totally okay. The important thing is that you're trying and having fun. Everybody, give yourself a giant round of applause. Seriously, you played the game, you learned all the rhythms, and you kept a super steady beat. You are all officially rhythm stars. So let's think about everything we did today. We learned what body percussion is. We learned how to do an awesome clap, a cool tap, and a big stomp. And what was that #1 golden rule we learned? That's right, to always keep a steady beat. Honestly, you all did such a great job today. I'm so proud of you. You learned how to make music with your very own body. Now you can make a beat wherever you go. You don't even need an instrument. Now, we only used claps, taps, and stomps today, but guess what? Your body can make so many other cool sounds. So I have a challenge for you. What other body percussion sounds can you think of? Maybe you could try snapping your fingers or clicking your tongue. Go try it out, experiment, and most of all, have fun. Thanks so much for making music with me today. Bye-bye.